Good morning, class. So far we've covered two shapes that roll. We have a sphere that rolls because it has 0 edges, zero faces, and is round. And we have a cylinder that rolls because it has 2 faces, 0 edges, 0 vertices. And then our next shape that rolls is a cone. And a cone has 1 face, that's a circle, and 1 vertice. And it rolls because it's round on the sides. Now, what's neat about these two shapes, a cylinder and a cone, is that they also slide because they have a flat face. So I could slide a cone across the table. I could slide a cylinder across the table. I couldn't really slide a sphere because spheres only roll because it doesn't have any faces. But these two shapes have circle faces so they can roll. Remember, the difference in a cylinder is a cylinder has 0 vertices and 2 circle faces. A cone has 1 circle face and 1 vertice. And when I think of the cone, I think of an ice cream cone because this looks exactly like an ice cream cone. I can just imagine a scoop of ice cream on top. So watch for cones in your house and as you're out and about.